Dr. Stephen Vanni. I am a neurosurgeon. I love to help people. I was always fascinated, even as a young child, taking things apart and putting them back together. And to me, nothing was more complex than taking apart a person and putting a person back together. I want to treat my patient the way I want to be treated, the way you want your family treated. You want to look at everything. You want to treat the patient as a whole, number one, not just their individual disease problem. You want to look at them in an entirety, as a person. How can we make their life better? Is there something we can offer them to make things better for them, whether it's surgical or non-surgical? That's our goal. We want them to know that from the minute they walk in the door to the minute they leave, we're going to look out for every single thing that they need in their healthcare. That's why we're here. To gain trust with your patients, you have to be open, you have to be honest, you have to let them know that you care about their issue. I think that trust goes both ways. You have to trust the patient has to trust the doctor. I know when a patient comes to me and I operate on them, whether it's them, their family member, they're putting their life in my hands. And I take that honor very seriously, and I do the best we possibly can for them.